love chai. In this video, we will cover how to make the chai the right way for its maximum health benefits, why chai is a better drink compared to coffee, and when to drink chai and when you should not drink chai. Let me start by giving a brief intro about chai and why calling it chai tea doesn't make any sense. Hi guys, my name is Parul and welcome to my channel A Happier Me. I come from India and I love sipping chai, which is made from loose black tea leaves, some spices, milk, sugar, and water. Health-wise, chai boasts some anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Its black tea base contains polyphenols, which somewhat help prevent cardiovascular diseases and have anti-aging effects. Chai is a great source of antioxidants such as catechins and theaflavins. These fight oxidative stress and can play a role in preventing cancer and other conditions. Also, the amino acid L-theanine in chai enhances our focus and cognitive function when combined with caffeine. So that's why we feel refreshed when we drink chai. Regarding caffeine, chai's content varies based on how much amount you've put and how long you've cooked it for, so around 20 to 100 milligrams per serving, but it is definitely a milder alternative to coffee, and this makes it a great mid-morning beverage. Since chai is made with milk, it also has small amounts of calcium, magnesium, potassium, vitamin K. And here I'm reading from the WebMD website that there are many other benefits of chai, including it lowers the blood pressure because we add cinnamon to it, which can cause a reduction in the blood pressure, especially with people who have diabetes. And if you drink chai with no sugar, then it is also good for your blood sugar level. And there are certain other spices that are added to chai, and they can support both the short-term and long-term cognitive function of your brain. Since we add ginger while boiling the chai, it also helps with constipation and fermentation, the process your body uses to break down sugar, which are the causes of bloating. But commercially available chai, like the ones that you got from Starbucks, is loaded with excessive sugar, which negates chai's health benefits. So try to use sugar in moderation when making chai at home so that you can fully enjoy its benefits for the therapeutic uses. So now I will tell you what is the correct way to make chai. So here I'm making 3 cups of chai, which is the tea size cup, and it is much smaller than your coffee mug. I will take a stainless steel saucepan and turn the heat on high. I will add 2 cups of water. Once it starts boiling, I'll add these ingredients that are shown here, and I'll just coarsely grind them using this mortar and pestle. And then after that, I will put it in the water and let it boil for 2 to 3 minutes. You want to infuse all the flavor of these spices in the water. And I will also add this half an inch of ginger. I'll just coarsely grind it and add it to the water. And after 3 minutes, I will add the tea leaves to it, and once that starts boiling, I will put my milk. In this case, I have about almost a cup of milk, and I put it, and then I will let it simmer for some more time, and you can add sugar to it if you want to, and that's totally optional. then then I will strain it with the help of a mesh strainer, and this whole process usually will take 4 to 5 minutes. You can add sugar according to your taste also, depending on however much sugar you want. I think if you use sugar in moderation, it is okay unless you have like a condition like diabetes, but 1 teaspoon of sugar in a cup of tea is okay for most people. And as I mentioned, these are all the different chai masala that I've used, but you can also make a big batch of it, and instead of putting them individually, you can just add like 1/4 or half a teaspoon of that chai masala to the water. So just increase the quantity, make a big batch, coarsely grind it in your blender, and keep it in an airtight container for like months and up to a year. Or you can also buy this pre-made masala like the one that I have here from Dwarka Organics. And if you look at the ingredients, it has pretty much the same thing that I have listed except for fennel seeds. So yeah, that's another way. And but try to stay away from the pre-made chai mix because they have a lot of added sugar in it. So whenever possible, try to make the chai at home from scratch. But if you want to drink chai at work, what you could do is you can take this chai masala in a Ziploc or in a container with a lid, and also you can use tea bags. So just boil the water in a microwave safe cup with the chai masala, and then after that you can just put the tea bag in it. And if you have creamer or dry milk powder in your workplace, you can just add that, as well as sugar or sweetener. So all of these ingredients you can buy easily from Indian grocery store, or you can order online through Amazon. Now let's look at what is the best time to drink chai. I know many Indians love drinking chai at least twice a day, and it is like the first beverage that they have in the morning right after waking up. But that is not the best thing to do. When you wake up, make sure to start your day with a cup of water. After that, you can have chai. Don't drink it on an empty stomach first thing in the morning. So is there a best time to drink chai? Yes. Ideally, after 2 hours of eating breakfast, you can have chai. So around 11, and then you can also have it later in the day between 3 to 5 p.m., which is about 2 to 3 hours after you've eaten your lunch. So don't drink chai after 6 p.m. because this can interfere with your sleep. And try to reduce the sugar as much as possible, especially if you drink it multiple times. But don't try to drink more than 3 cups of chai a day. Also, according to the Ayurveda, you should not be consuming salty or savory snacks with chai. But I know many Indians do that, but try to reduce it if you can. Also, I forgot to mention that chai has something called polyphenol, and they can actually help in protect you from some type of virus illnesses. So if you have sore throat or cold and cough, it's a great beverage. It will soothe your throat. You can add honey instead of sugar to the chai, and this way you will have some relief in the cough and sore throat. So next time when you do go to a cafe, don't say chai tea, because chai means tea in Hindi. Just say you would like to order chai. I think it's important that people know the correct name. I know in the US everybody calls it chai tea, but that just doesn't make any sense because what you're saying is tea. Anyway, if you like today's video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Take care. Bye.